Kalush has thrown light on the entire issue, and rightly so. This is a dual citizenship, dual nationality is a very complex issue. As an NRI commissioner, many people come to our office with various kinds of pleas, various kinds of issues, and we try to help them out. And one of the cases that he referred to from Salvador the Moon, the similar kind of an issue which we came across was from Chichini. One lady, she came and her parents were born in original Goans, then went to Pakistan for some reasons, then their house is here, and all those issues, and both their sisters and dad come to our office. Anyway, these are the issues which is rightly referred to. Well, so far as Goa is concerned, we have a privilege of registering our births in Portugal. I won't go into the entire legal framework as it has been rightly pointed out by my dear friend Kalush. This needs a solution, and this solution is within the legal framework as well as the policy framework. And for that is not in the hands of the Goa government, but it has to be taken up to the higher levels.
Citizenship is a gateway
to Europe,
to the world, gateway especially to Europe. And especially today, when we have got so many talented young people in Goa who are unemployed, we cannot provide them employment. So the Goa government can be a facilitator. Your corporation can be a facilitator. If Pondicherry can have dual citizenship, why can't Goans have a dual citizenship?
आम्ही जशें म्हटलें बाब सायमन हाणें परत परत सांगलो आपलो स्लोगन एज बर पोटा खातीर आमी ग्लोबली गेले आनी घडी कदाचित आमचें पोट भरलें बट परत एकदां आमकां माणकुल्या गोंयांत आमकां परत एकदां येयन दिसता आमकां तीच उमळशीक कदाचित 2 जनरेशनां पयलीं सोडलां आसतलें बट परतूय आमकां गोंयांत येवपाचो मोग आसा कारण आमकां गोंया विशीं मोग आसा त्या सगळ्या गोंयकारां खातीर म्हाका दिसता एडवोकेट कालूस उलयता आसतना एडवोकेट नरेंद्र उलयता आसतना इदर ड्युअल सिटीजनशीप इदर सरेंडरिंग ऑफ द पासपोर्ट इदर द OCI कार्ड देर आर द डिफरंट इश्यूज बट एट प्रेजेंट वी आर पर्स्युइंग दॅट विथ द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया बट डेफिनेटली म्हणजे फॉर लास्ट of 60 years, for last at least for the 40-50 years, no one has think. But now, Simon, you have taken the leadership, and we, the government, is following this matter with the government of India. हाजेर सोल्युशन काडपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा जेन्ना आमच्या एखाद्या गोंयकाराक जो ओरिजिनली गोंयकार आसा जशें म्हटलें की परत एकदां तेंच घर बांदून केन्ना तरी रावपाक थंय येवपाची ताची इच्छा आसा